घर के बारे में सोचते हैं, आप कमरे और दीवारों के बारे में नहीं सोचते। आप सोचते हैं एक और आसाइश रिहाइश जहां आपका ज़हनी सुकून और सुकून कल्ब मौजूद हो। यही तो वो चीज़ है जो वर्सा टावर्स में आपको दी जाए। From the moment you enter, everything flows the way it should. The surroundings are calm and the environment is neat. And you feel like you finally belong to somewhere that understands your lifestyle. Royal Residencia itself is known for the community feel, and Versa Tower is built on that. It's about giving you a home where your teens are simpler, your evenings are calmer, and your family feels more